Hello, Mamaroneck. My name is Mr. Cecina, and I'm here with my 4th grade class. We're excited to share with you some important things about our Trout in the Classroom program. Take it away, environmentalists. Let's talk trout.
One thing that I've enjoyed about the trout so far this year is doing the ammonia and pH test.
I'm looking forward to going on the field trip and releasing the trout. One thing I've been enjoying this year is feeding the trout and doing the tests.
I'm looking forward to seeing the trout grow big and strong and healthy. I'm also looking forward to release the trout into their new homes this year.
Action.
To keep the trout healthy and growing, we are running pH and ammonia tests.
These are important for trout survival because if we can't run the pH and ammonia tests, they could get really stressed if the water is not at the standards. They could get really stressed, and they could possibly die from the stress.
To keep the trout healthy and growing, we have done ammonia and pH tests, and we have been feeding them 2 meals a day. These are important for the trout survival because if you feed too much of a meal to them, the bacteria will create ammonia, and that's why we have the ammonia and pH test, so we can keep track of their water level and whether they're healthy or not. One thing I have enjoyed, we have enjoyed, the whole class, I've enjoyed about the trout so far, is feeding them and getting to know how to do the tests and teaching other 4th grade students about the trout. And what me and Peyton are looking for this year is going to release the trout in the wild to their home, their habitat, and also getting to learn how they grow throughout the whole year. This concludes what we've done during the school year so far and what we are looking forward to.